Welcome. In front of me is a UNIHERTZ Tank 3, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now, for this, you will either need to have very strong fingernails, something flat and rigid, maybe like a SIM ejector, or a SIM card just so we can pop out the tray. So I'm going to be using my SIM card. All I really need to do is just wedge it in here and boop, and it pops out. Now, if you're planning to do the same thing that I just did, I would urge you just to be careful. If the card starts bending, don't force it, just look for something else maybe. It's more like a DIY solution. Anyway, once you place the cards on the tray, you'll need to insert them back into the device. Now the tray cards are going technically on the tray upside down, so if I flip it over they would fall out. I am gonna flip the phone over just so I can insert it back into the device. And there we go. And you can see the cards are working right away. So SIM card is working, and you can see SD card is working as well, which does give me a notification right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.